Tired of scrubbing stubborn dirt from your patio, endless hours cleaning siding with little progress? Grime on fences just won't budge no matter what. Dragging out hoses, buckets, and harsh chemicals every weekend? Still not getting that truly clean look you want? Wasting time and energy on outdoor cleaning chores? Frustrated by weak water pressure from your old washer? Struggling to reach high spots on your home's exterior? Wish there was an easier way to blast away dirt? Introducing the Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Powerful 14-amp TruBrushless motor delivers 3000 PSI strength. 2.0 GPM max flow for deep efficient cleaning. Certified by PWMA. Real power, lab tested and verified. No more guessing if your washer is up to the task. Heavy-duty cast aluminum pump beats gas-powered models. JettFlow Technology gives you 50% more water flow. Easily reach second-story siding and tough corners. Rugged metal gun built for years of reliable use. 25-foot UberFlex hose resists kinks and tangles. Choose from 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees tips for any job. Soap and turbo nozzles included for extra versatility. Foam cannon delivers thick suds for deep cleaning. Let's see it in action. Before, patio covered in dirt, stains, and grime. After, surfaces look fresh, spotless, and like new. Before, fence coated in green mildew and buildup. After, wood looks bright and clean in minutes. Before, siding dull and streaked from weather. After, siding shines, free from dirt and residue. Watch as the foam cannon tackles caked-on messes. Thick foam clings, lifts dirt, and rinses away easily. High-pressure spray reaches up high, no ladder needed. Switch nozzles for delicate or heavy-duty cleaning jobs. Turbo nozzle blasts away years of buildup fast. Soap nozzle covers cars, decks, and more with suds. No more straining or wasting time with weak washers. Greenworks makes outdoor cleaning fast and satisfying. Spend less time cleaning, more time enjoying your yard. Perfect for homeowners who want a spotless property. Ideal for DIYers and outdoor cleaning professionals. Rugged design stands up to tough everyday use. Easy to move, set up, and store after use. No gas, no fumes, just plug in and go. Safe for siding, fences, patios, and outdoor furniture. Handles everything from mildew to mud and stuck-on debris. No more frustration with tangled hoses or weak pressure. UberFlex hose lets you move freely around your space. Switch tips in seconds for different cleaning needs. PWMA certification means you get the power you expect. Max inlet water temperature up to 104 degrees for tough jobs. Clean patios, driveways, decks, and vehicles with ease. Remove years of grime in a single afternoon. Restore your home's curb appeal with professional results. Stop renting expensive equipment. Own your cleaning power. Enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done every time. Greenworks makes it simple to keep your property pristine. No more back-breaking scrubbing or wasted weekends. Transform your outdoor spaces with powerful, easy cleaning. Get the job done right the first time. Ready to make outdoor cleaning effortless? Choose Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer today. Experience better than gas performance without the hassle. Enjoy versatile cleaning with included nozzles and foam cannon. Reach higher, clean deeper, finish faster. Perfect for patios, siding, fences, and more. Trust Greenworks for reliable, certified cleaning power. Make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Stop struggling. Start cleaning smarter, not harder. Order your Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer now. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Bring home the cleaning power you deserve today.